Silent vows of promises, never meant to keep. Coming close to a new vibration, wallowing on the brink, streets of golden, never spoken, words beneath your feet. Light is air, light is dead. As far as the eye can see. Then she calls me to heaven, I can't turn away. When she calls me to heaven, when she calls me, can't turn away. When she calls me to heaven. Lovers and others, under the covers, resting in catacombs, passing sacred messages, between the cracks and bones. She calls me to heaven, and I can't turn away. She calls me to heaven, and I can't change my plea. The pain in my heart keeps me wondering about your words. Are they real or just tearing me apart? She calls me to heaven. Can't change my mind.